to provide. I mean, it's again your wish. If you want to provide any purchase order number, then you can provide.
Actually, I picked one purchase order for which the order is in shipped state.
Whatever status may be. You just need to search with the PO number.
Might be a Linux system unit number to refer the order PO number.
PO number, yeah.
Like we use the reference
PO,
number
yes,
in
yes.
OTC.
Yes.
They might be using PO
Purchase
number
order number.
in Linux or some other external systems.
So for in this phase 1 CS also we have test case for order processing.
Mm-hmm.
In that also some test cases are EDI processing. So the same process what you spend the same process when you follow that.
Yeah. You need to load the orders and you need to just process.
Okay.
Where is that sheet?
So EDI orders the status will be release only, right? Regular only for any EDI process.
No, not necessary. The status would be like EDI AM, rush EDI AM, rush today, hold.
But
Or
in the
regular.
drop down is not there, EDI is not there.
Yeah, the status rush EDI AM
Okay.
will only comes through if comes for the EDI order.
It's a rush to the EDI, okay, rush is there, okay, I will check it. Okay. That status you need to check it, you
Yeah.
need to select that, right, file execution.
It will be like auto populated from the EDI order. Whatever the status that you have, the status will be identified as AH. H is nothing but hold. If that particular PO has been loaded with order status H, then in OTC you will be able to find the status as hold.
So, but while creating an order, we need to go to the order screen, create maintain order screen, right? In that only we will select the TDI, right? Rush EDI language. It's
You
not-
just query it, right? There is no need to create any data for EDI order.
Okay, we'll
Just-
query it.
yeah. If the order has been loaded with status hold, then you need to change the status to regular. Since
Okay.
whatever the order
Yeah,
that
that's not an issue.
with status hold won't be processed in the order pre-processing job.
So we need to query it, and the query only we will take that and we need to process.
545 is
Yes.
what you're saying?
If it is hold, then you need to change it to regular.
Okay.
Oh, that's fine, sure. I'll call Kat. Yeah, call her. Thank you, yeah, thank you. How many you are covering today, you know?
Not planned.
He said she'll be continuing till 5:45.
Yeah, he'll tell like that. Yeah. It's your. It's your patience. That's it. If you want me to continue till 6 or 6:30 or 7, that's
But
fine
6:30
with
you
me.
have a call, right?
Yeah, I have call.
And then how can you
We
continue?
want her to continue till 7 then.
7, okay. In that case, again Shiva called me to attend the call.
బాగా తిట్టినారా? 5:45 बोल देना क्या आपको?
5:45, she has to finish, so please call the cat. Accordingly is what he said. We'll see.
5:45 बोलेंगे तो 6 o'clock आएगा.
हाँ, ठीक है, अभी टाइम है ना, 5:30 को कॉल करते हैं और 5:15 में कॉल.
You should have told, right? We have to leave at 5:30. In that case, he'll.
We don't want to leave at 5:30.
Mm-hmm.
We don't want to leave at 5:30 as well.
Okay.
So everybody is worried about progress we are making, right? 1%, 2%. It is like that. If we go a little, they'll push us back. Go and sit there again. Right?
Okay. Today I'm continuing with distributed interfaces. Status.
That EDA is done.
No, it's not done. Actually, EDA part is done, but non-EDA.
Yeah.
Non-EDA part I'll cover in the last.
Can we get PO numbers in Jira? Research defects.
Defects, yeah. Defect related PO.
Can we use those things?
Yeah, you can use.
We can change it, right? No, that serial number we can change it. So,
I'm just thinking, why do we have to work so hard for
POs you research in SIT only, right?
it can be any
Yeah,
number.
It can be any
not
PO.
already existing.
Yeah, I mean you can yeah, even if it is existing, then just as I said, like just you need to
We
change
need
the
to
PO
replace
number.
that,
Yeah, just need to change the PO number, then that should work.
And any order which is coming through EDI, non-EDI from distributing, it should have a unique PO, no?
Yeah,
It has to be unique PO, right? Then just change it. That's all.
it's nothing like unique PO. There is like a logic which is like account number, purchase order number, and store number,
Oh.
ship to number. If both are same for two orders, then it will be errored out with duplicates.
Account number?
Account number, purchase order number, that is PO number, and store number.
Okay.
So if you provide the same PO number for different accounts, then it will accept. So this is Abraham's royalty feed. This is actually monthly generated file. Okay, this is an outbound interface from OTC to Abraham's distributee, and it runs like a monthly basis. And this royalty information for Abraham's title is sent to third-party company, that nothing but Abraham's. Okay, whatever the data that is available in OTC for this particular owner code AB, that information will be sent to Abraham's on a monthly basis. Okay, and the output file will be in this format. Whatever the columns there is, like header records, trailer records, like that. Just a second, excuse me. Hello, daddy. సెషన్లో ఉన్నాను, నేను వేరే సెషన్లో ఉన్నాను. ఏంటి ఏమన్నా ఇంపార్టెంట్? లేదు డాడీ, టికెట్ దొరకలేదు, ట్రై చేస్తున్నా. ఏదో ఒకటి చేసి వచ్చేస్తా. ట్రైన్లో ఆన్లైన్ అంటే తత్కాల ఇక్కడ ఓపెన్ అవ్వదు డాడీ. ఓపెన్ అయినా ఇంతమంది ట్రై చేస్తుంటారు కదా, అది ఎక్కడ వర్కౌట్ అవ్వదు. సరే, నేను ట్రై చేస్తా డాడీ రేపు. మొన్నటి కంటే రేపు ట్రై చేస్తా, చూస్తా. బస్సెస్ అయితే లేవు. సారీ. So these are the different columns that will be populated in the particular file. Okay, the like client number is nothing but it's like a unique code for just for identification purpose to Abraham's. That's it. So this is the ISBN title. Okay, whatever the ISBNs or sales information for this particular Abraham's owner code titles, those information will be captured in this particular file. Okay, there is like list price information, discount. You know that sales is nothing but invoice. Whatever the orders which was already shipped and invoice has been generated, that we call it as sales. So the sales information is nothing but whatever the invoices that has been generated for these Abraham's titles, that information will be captured. So you need to check in invoice header and detail screens. That means order should be shipped. So there is simple logic. Owner code is equals to AB. Whatever the titles for which owner code is equals to AB, and invoice header or invoice category, I mean these are like exclude logic. That means when whatever the sales with invoice category prepaid or code, there are like different invoice categories. Has Krupal covered this invoice categories? Regular sales is nothing but invoice.
Invoice is over, no?
These categories, I don't think so.
Regular sales, adjustments, credit notes.
Adjustments we covered.
Yeah, these are the different invoice categories.
Okay.
Regular sale is nothing but regular invoice. Others adjustments, when we talk about adjustments, there will be like credit adjustments,
adjustments.
label adjustments, like that code, prepaids. There are like lot of categories will be there.
It's not covered actually, but he finished invoice, he's started talking.
We covered, no?
Invoice is
Adjustments we covered it, but
different categories of.
categories we covered. No? Yesterday.
Really?
Okay, yesterday.
Right, as per the, okay, anyway.
Anyway, we'll check it 1 second.
The types అన్ని చెప్పారు కదా అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్ టైప్స్.
నేను రాలేదు అన్నీ చెప్పు ఓకే
Types
Maybe he could just discuss what each of those categories. It's not mentioned here, maybe just.
yesterday made part of something.
సో టైప్స్ మీన్స్ వాట్ యు సే క్రెడిట్ అదేనా టైప్స్ who credits in
Who
the
credits, adjustments,
that is covered on the video. It is there.
Goodwill credit now.
That's what it is.
The video and it's there. It's there.
So these are like exclude conditions. Okay, when you have a particular sales information for owner code AB, but the invoice category is in prepaid or code, then that record should not be included in the file. Okay, and also whatever the sale type code, you'll have a sale type for an order. Okay, you'll be able to provide the sale type information in the order, like you can select whether if 50, 42, like that. So 61, 70 and 85, whatever the sales for which the sale type code is equals to 61 or 70 or 85, that means they are gifting coupon transfers that should be excluded in the file. Those records should not be should not be captured in this particular file. And also for the invoice detail lines for which quantity is equals to 0. Like quantity is equals to 0 in the sense there will be some adjustments which will be created with 0 quantity. So in that case, that kind of adjustments or that kind of invoice detail should not be captured in this particular file. So the logic is markering.
Marker.
You want here only?
You had a question, Suresh. You wanted to ask something.
Don't switch off.
So when OTC sends this file, at what stage of
Monthly once. Scheduled. Monthly.
This feed is monthly.
monthly of
Monthly is nothing but and again there are like two. One is like calendar month and fiscal month. So in OTC there are like two kind of calendar will be divided. One is calendar month is like regular year and 1 to 30, 1 to 31 days. This comes under calendar month. And fiscal month is nothing but this is a financial month, financial year. Okay, in OTC the financial for the financial year for their business will be categorized. So that will be found in the physical period master. So there are some interfaces which will be run during this physical. I mean the data for the physical year. There is nothing but financial year or financial month end. So this is calendar month. So calendar month. So let's talk about October. October 1 to 31 days, right? So this feed will run on 31st of October. Suppose if this is calendar month end. So if it is physical, when comes there are like few interfaces, right? Physical month ends. That will run on the physical monthly. Okay, in that case there is one table called physical period master table. In which you will have all the information, like it will be like I'll show you the dates. Physical year will be 2013, since it is 2013, and physical month will be 01, and the dates will be, there will be like start date and end date.
Okay.
If it is calendar month, calendar month, that will be like start date will be 01 October and month end will be 31st October. But whereas in case of physical month, it will be defined like sometime around 24th of October to 23rd of, I'm telling you the randomly, and I'll show you the table, okay? And 23rd of November. So, when it comes to a physical month, whatever the interface that runs on the physical month basis, this will be run based on the dates.
Okay.
So, but after this 23rd of November date has been available, then this will be, flag will be set to closed. That is, if it is in between this date, it will be open. That is currently running this physical month. So above this record, it will be like closed. After this record, it will be like future. Okay, this interfaces which runs on physical month ends, that logic will be captured based on the latest closed physical period. That means when 23rd of November has been arrived, this will be closed. So this particular interface will be run, and the data information between 24th of October and 23rd of November, this data will be captured in the particular file. So this is the logic of physical month and calendar. So when it comes to Abraham's royalty, this will be monthly, calendar month. So that means it runs on 31st, month end of the particular calendar month, 31st, and the data will be like 1st of October to 31st of October. This data will be captured, and this is like sales data.
That means invoice completed data? Invoice completed orders?
Invoice, yeah. But those orders which were shipped and invoice has been generated, that for owner AB, since it is an Abraham feed, that information will be captured in this one. I'll show you the physical period master table. Okay, this is how the physical period master table looks like. There will be like physical year, that is nothing but financial year, and physical period code, that is month of 0102, and the physical month start date and end date. Since we are in 2013, where physical year is equals to 2013. These are like 12 months. And if you see the fiscal year is 2013 and fiscal period code 01 is nothing but this is month, fiscal month. Fiscal month is 01 and the fiscal month 01 starts from 22nd of December 2012 to 24th January 13. So currently we are in the fiscal month 10 and this duration is 21st September to 21st October. So once the 21st of October has been arrived, this period flag will be updated to C. So whenever this interface will run, like which generates on a physical month basis, that will be fetch the data from 21st September to 21st October. Okay.
But not
from first, not from first. Yes. Yeah. And one more thing is, if you want to generate this data for say for 7th month, okay, for 7th month, then this interface only picks up the latest closed fiscal month, right? So that's the reason if you want to see the data for 07 month, then you need to set this this flag to C only, but this will be like open, the next
future.
corresponding is open and this will be future. So you need to update these records and need to generate for the 07 month. So since I said this, don't get confused, this Abraham's royalty feed is a calendar month thing. It will be generated on a calendar month basis and it's a fixed length feeds and that are not delimited. That means there is no separation of data will not be there. Okay. So that it will be like continuous.
Fixed length, the whole length is fixed, in between we don't know.
Yeah.
Okay.
In between, if you have a client number, right? First column is client number. Client number will be populated as 810. Okay, and you don't find any space or any separation after this. Corresponding ISBN will be generated after that field. Okay, like that information will be available, and the data mapping you will be able to sign from which table and from which column is mapped to which column of the file. Okay, this information will be available.
So this with for distributors interfaces, we don't have pre-staging or staging directly from individual tables.
Yeah.
Great.
You just need to validate. If anything needs to be validated, then you just need to go to either screens or backend base tables, OTC ADM tables, and you just validate the file. That's it. There is nothing a concept called pre-staging or staging for this. Okay, this is about Abraham's royalty feed interface. If you want to see the file, then again I need to change some, since we are on 10th, right? So for this I need to update the batch date. Batch date should be month end date.
Oh.
I need to update.
So again, where is it sit again on the GIS server?
No.
Where will the file go?
File distributed. Just remember blindly all these distributive files will be generated at data staging distributive. I have in the edit place I have told you, right?
It will have a different
The same
name.
file, yeah.
Same file, but name
Name is different, yeah. You'll have like Abraham's royalty field like that.
Okay.
All the distributive interface files will be generated at data staging distributive of SID server.
So we need to validate the file structure is correct.
Yeah, that's it. Now the file structure is
after
everything.
31st.
After 31st. It's not necessarily you
But
need
we can
to
update the
if any new requirement or any issue has been raised for this interface, then only you have to test. Otherwise, there is no need to test this.
Now the job name and everything is mentioned.
Yeah, no, it's not mentioned. I'll show you.
You might. might be having a job name column and the purpose and the interface. Can you please send that?
I don't have, but whenever I get time, I'll prepare for you. Okay. Before this KT knowledge transfer session will be done. I'll
It's his
send you.
birthday today and he'll give you cake if you do that.
Oh, okay. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
మరి చెప్పరేంటి అసలు పార్టీ ట్రీట్ అసలు ఏం లేకుండా సైలెంట్ కూర్చున్నారు.
అడుగుతానే చెప్పలేదు.
ఓకే.
He asked his birthday gift just now.
బర్త్డే గిఫ్ట్ ఇన్ని ఇంటర్ఫేసెస్ నాలెడ్జ్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేస్తున్నాం అదే గిఫ్ట్. విచ్చలు విడిగా ఈ నాలెడ్జ్ ని వాడేసుకుంటుంది. ఆయన అనుకుంటుంటాడు ఏంటో బర్త్డే రోజు కూడా కూర్చోబెట్టే ఇంటర్ఫేసెస్ ఓటీసీ
జీవితాలు
జీవితం ఇంకా మీ జీవితాలు ఇప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ అవబోతుంది యాక్చువల్లీ. మరి అర్లీగా వెళ్ళట్లేదా మీరు?
ఏదండి?
అర్లీగా వెళ్ళట్లేదా?
అడగండి.
అందరూ
Why
పర్మిషన్
are you putting memes? If you have plans, I'll send. What plans now?
You enjoy it.
Anyway, is going to marry next month.
Yeah,
right? So
if
no
she was
plans.
there, I would have allowed.
ఓ మై గాడ్ మ్యారేజ్ మరి కంగ్రాచులేషన్. అసలు ఇన్ని అకేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, మీరు ఏంటి అసలు ఒక స్వీట్ కూడా ఇవ్వకోకుండా వచ్చేసారు. నెక్స్ట్ మంత్ లో పెళ్ళా? ఎప్పుడండి? 22nd. ఎక్కడ పెళ్ళి?
చిత్తూరు.
చిత్తూరు.
మీ ఇంటి దగ్గర అంటే
మా చిత్తూరు కదా, అనంతపురం.
You're not getting tickets to go there? Sorry, you heard your conversation.
My dad was
For the Shara, huh?
for this show.
You're not getting tickets to go?
I'll go anyway.
How will you go? I'll go anyway.
black money.
ఏదో ఒకటి చేసి. Actually, my brother has a reservation ticket in train.
Okay.
So I'll somehow adjust and I'll go. If I don't get any,
Okay.
then okay. This is the feed. Abraham's royalty feed month end.
So what will help you know, Hema? If any interface which does not have exact name in this OTC engine, that if you can let us know, that will be better.
Yeah.
So this is straightforward, right?
Yeah, this is-
And it
yes.
comes there. But
Yeah.
something which is not really mapping with the name there, then
Then I'll send you. So this is about Abraham's royalty feed. And next is Abraham's.
Purpose of maintaining in the file is just as backend or what it is?
Which is the purpose?
Means to write.
Yeah, the purpose of these distributive files.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's for distributives. I mean, they have to know, right, how much sales has been done for their books.
Those who trying.
This Abraham's is a third party
Yeah.
distributing.
Okay.
HPC will.
So OTC. I mean, that third party people won't have visibility to OTC, right?
Mm-hmm.
They don't have, but they want to know. I mean, for their owner or titles sales,
So
ISBN sales. So that information, this OTC people will generate a file based on the logic and send the information to the Abrahams.
HPC not only publishes his books, it also allows other to publish books like Abraham. So now, after final invoice completion of all Abraham publishers, Abraham books, and they want to know the status of for the whole month. They might ask for in the file structure so that they'll take the file and work with in their systems.
Yeah, and likewise there will be some monthly generated files, monthly generated data will be there, and also some interfaces which generates on daily basis also. On a daily basis, this OTC people will send those information to the third party distributors. Okay, this is Abraham's price status field, and again this is also all the distributing interfaces are outbound interfaces. This is also sent across on a monthly basis from OTC to Abraham's distributor, but this is on a physical month end basis. Okay, the sales information file will be generated in the specified server location is nothing but the data staging distributor location, and it will again picked up by GIS and transmit the data to Abrahams. Okay, these are the various fields and mapping document, which is this. And when it comes to logic, yeah, and this is the interface processing logic for this interface, and the OTC system will pick up those records which are having the following conditions, like owner code is equals to AB. I mean, all the Abrahams titles will be captured, and invoice header or invoice status flag should be finalized. Okay, once the invoice will be generated, you will have the invoice status, right, in the invoice screen. The finalized, only those invoices which are finalized and fulfilled. That means these are successfully shipped. Okay, I mean, for the line status whose status is shipped in order headers, order detail or order header screen, those will be fulfilled. Otherwise, if there are some order lines like back ordered or cancelled, that information will be you will be able to find as not fulfilled or unfulfilled. Okay, so this interface will only pick up the records whose invoices were finalized and fulfilled, and again like I said, like invoices which are generated in the latest closed fiscal period. That data will be captured in this interface. And if you see the file, it will be like you can okay, prior month 1 gross units and month 1 net units. This month 1 is nothing but physical month 01. Now currently we are in physical month 10, right? If we run this data for this physical month end, that is 10, physical month equals to 10, then the data will be 0 for 01 month gross units, net units, 02. The only data will be available on 10th, since it is a physical month 10, right? I mean, this interface structure will be let's say 01, 02, 03, 04. Both gross sales and net sales will be there, and the gross sales and net sales I guess Krupal will cover on this.
Hello. बोलिए. Good evening, sir. Good evening. Where?
So the overall file structure will be 01, 01. This is gross net. 02, 02 gross net.
अरे सर हमको कॉल है.
Like that 03, 03 gross net, and so on from 12th month.
Oh,
So currently we are in 10th month, right? 10th physical month. So gross units and net units, the data will be populated for each ISBN in this, and the remaining all months will be 0. If it is 11th month, then this is also 0, and under the 11th month the data will be shown. Understood? You didn't understood anything.
अभी भी कुछ clear नहीं है. ऐसा problem है तो because
No,
Down.
I said like, since this runs on month end basis, right? Physical month end basis, and the file structure of this Abraham's price status is in such a way that you'll have all the physical month end fields. Okay, like I said, 01 gross units.
नहीं तो हमको खुद को देखना है.
Month 01, prior month. This is the field name in the file. Okay, prior month 01 gross units and prior month 01 net units. Okay, and 02 gross, 02 net, like that. 03
मुझे आप अपडेट करिए.
03
तो बता दीजिए.
net to 0, like that, and so on till 12 months. Okay, you'll have the data mapping like this in this file. Okay, if you run the currently we are on 10th month, right? 10th physical month. If you run the data for this 10th physical month, then you will have the gross units and net units data in this, and other remaining data will be 0. If again you will run for 11th month, that is next month, the data will be available for this under these columns, but all the remaining columns will be 0.
Is it raining very heavily outside?
No, I don't know. It's raining.
Oh,
no?
that's what he said. And he says, I cannot arrange for cab.
What? So raining, उसको क्या करना है?
It's stuck everywhere, different places.
Nima, do you have car?
No, I don't have a car. I mean, I actually I do have a car, but you have to wait. It has to come from Anantapur. It will take like 5 hours, and from outskirts to here 1 hour, 6 hours. If you can wait 6 hours, then I'll arrange.
You won't give up. You will wait. You never know.
The running of this job.
But I can't continue KD till 6 hours.
So today's date is October. Sorry.
It's raining heavily, yeah.
This month, physical month is October. That is 10th month.
तो आप लोग ऑटो करके आ जाओ.
If I run to the
Last week we
government
did that once, right?
कभी कभी करेंगे, मुश्किल है.
And it's still
Yeah.
कुछ भी अभी भी if you
If
can
you-
say something, say
But
now
but
you
in
can start.
November you don't have any sales, right?
Okay.
So then the file will be empty.
Can you, Shiva is having car, at least we'll request.
Yeah, Shiva has.
How many people?
He will be capitalized.
They have called.
He has calls to attend.
Yeah.
You ask.
You see, you want him to go with us, huh?
So if you run for the physical month 11, since the physical month for 11th month you don't have any sales, right? So then the file will be empty.
Alarming this news.
So when basically when you will run the
This will be run on a physical month end.
end.
And let me show you in clear. Now we are in
Let's say they are
10th month,
not
right?
daily, but
So physical month and start date is 21st September and the end date is 21st October. So you have to run this feed on 21st October. Okay, then the data, whatever the sales data available from 21st September to 21st October will be populated in the file. If you run for the 11th month, then there will be no sales, right? Since it is a future, it's a future physical
but it
month.
should display the past detail also, right?
Past data, yeah. If you want to run for 9th month, then you need to set this flag to C and this to future. Okay, and need to run the, and you should, on the OTC batch date should be your physical month end date. And remember one thing, if it is like month end interfaces, the OTC batch date and OTC online date should be equals to that month end. If it is a calendar interface, then calendar month end date. Okay, if you want to, let's say for example, one interface is a calendar, I mean it generates a file based on the calendar month. Then the calendar month, if you want to run for October month, then the OTC batch date and OTC online date should be 31st October.
So where can I go and set these dates?
In the system parameter table.
Can you show me? I have not seen the table. You talked about it earlier also, I remember. but I
Yeah.
have not seen that.
So for testing, how will you do it?
I'll change the batch date on the batch.
So the batch date will be on the schedule date, the monthly schedule
Yeah.
date. That's true.
Actually, you can request DBA team to have the privileges for this system parameter update. I mean, for remaining all other tables, you don't have any access to update anything. But for this, you can be able, because I mean, you can't ask every time, right? If you want to run any interface, you again have to request DBA team to update this table. That is difficult. So I'll provide you the update statement also, so that you can just replace your dates and you just query. System underscore.
All the other tables, I mean, none of the tables we have write access, right?
No,
So
no.
we need permission, right?
Only read permission.
So this is the only table for which we need write permission, or that there are other such tables?
No, this is the
So
only.
this-
They'll give only for this table
Okay.
and for only specific user. You just create your users and ask for permission for your use. Okay, this is the system parameter table. You'll have this OTC online date and OTC batch date. So these dates should be set to that corresponding if it is a calendar month end, calendar month end date. If it is a physical month end, then you need to go to physical period master and that end date.
So
And I am providing the update statement.
So we need to update every month then for this? or it automatically get updated?
This will be updated every day. There will be like 2
Batch.
batches will be there.
Okay, for this.
Yeah.
So you are updating the batch date to the current date.
Yeah, it's already current date. I'm just providing the update statement. Whenever it's necessary for you, you just replace the date and you can change. Update
She's giving
OTC,
an example.
OTC ATM system parameter. Set value equals to. Okay, this will be month, date and year. Okay. Just if it is like 10, let's say today's date 9/2013, where value in OTC
It's name, right? It's name.
OTC batch date. And once you execute this query, you have to again execute commit statement. Okay. So if anytime you want to update the OTC online date and batch date, you just whatever the value, whatever the date you wish to change, that you have to specify here, and you just run this query. And after completion of this query, you just need to run this query. Then the corresponding value will be updated in this table. Okay. Again, when you are done with the generation of file and testing, you just get back to the current date.
Okay, we need to.
Yes, that's very important.
Oh,
This is the update statement. You just save it. So this is about Abraham's price status. Abraham's price status is runs on fiscal month end, whereas Abraham's royalty feed is calendar month end. Okay.
We might have validated a lot of file structures. So, did they
Literally
give
one.
any awards?
Yeah, I got award
Quarterly award.
twice.
Oh.
Best for the best team. Best team player, team member.
Okay. Any money for?
And nothing. You don't expect anything. I mean, this is the internal award. I mean, which CSE has given, not HPG.
Is recorded.
Yeah, it is recorded. You just go and
So every time you will see that Tamma, Nana.
you can enjoy, right? It's
What is there
relaxation.
in that thing?
Yeah, it's
That's
relaxation.
what relaxation
That day
is.
actually it happened. You guys were listening to this thing and Krishna was like, she's talking on the phone. It was not captured.
And Vandana, can you just open the list of distributed interfaces? Under Abraham's, you have price status, royalty, and web order reserve, right?
Yeah, all three
So
are
three
done.
are done. Okay. Next, we'll start with how much time I have?
15 minutes.
We have to complete 2 more interfaces.
525 are done.
I have to complete 2 more interfaces. Okay.
No, this is kidding.
No, in that case, I'm searching like what's
Yeah,
possible,
yeah,
which interfaces are
Yeah.
possible.
We'll pick another small one. Something
Yeah,
which
yeah.
can be covered.
Small one which is having 2 pages.
2 pages are.
You don't find such interface. Don't worry.
Index and last page.
Okay, I'll tell you the Chronicle customer feed.
Chronicle customer feed.
Yeah. For this, I need to open screen. ఈ ఫీడ్ కోసం ఆరన్ నన్ను లిటరలీ తినేసాడు. విరక్తి వచ్చింది నాకు.
PM or who is Aaron?
B,
It's
right?
R-
BM.
Architect.
you might be a good friend to RM.
Yeah, but
Because-
I'm very good friend to all.
Because he's the one who has developed all these documents, enterprise documents.
I mean, documents, these were developed by developers only. This was written by. But earlier, the business requirement was by RM.
Starting from scratch, you were there in this project.
No, the project was started on September or November, I'm not
When?
sure. September 2010.
From that day on.
No, I was not there. I joined on Jan 1st.
So from Jan onwards, you were there in this project. So you are the single resource for that till now, or many other resources are also there for this?
Interfaces.
Interfaces, I'm this only.
Single resource.
Yeah.
From starting in Jan 2009, 10, 11 onwards.
We will also give over.
Huh? Sorry?
We are working in one project only. Right from there.
Oh, yeah.
That's a great thing.
Yeah, very great. At least you people recognized. Okay. So for every account you will, in the create, maintain, build to screen, you will have client information tab, right?
Yeah.
This particular
Owner
account,
code.
yeah, owner code you will specify.
Mhm.
Okay, whatever the accounts in the sense bill to numbers, bill tos or ship tos, that was assigned to owner CB. All that information will be captured in this Chronicle customer feed. Okay, and whenever any updates or any changes has been done for that account, then that information will be captured in this file. Okay, if you don't change anything, if you don't update anything, then you just run this interface, you don't find any data. Okay, whatever the changes for in the bill to level or ship to level,
Okay.
but see that the client information you will have the CB. All the accounts which is under CB,
Okay.
those information only for updates. That information will be captured in this file. So there will be like record, ship to level records will be there, where the store number, ship to number information will be captured. Whatever the updates that you have done for a particular ship to under some account number which is assigned to CB customer, that information will be available. There is like bill to records. If you take one account, let's say 101011674, this is one bill to number. If you do any changes for this bill to and any changes to ship to that are under this customer, this account. Okay, so the first record, like it will populate the bill to records first and corresponding ship to records next. Okay, you can be able to identify the bill to records with store number as 0. So if it is a bill to record, then the ship to number is nothing but ship to number will be blank or all zeros. Okay, so that is the identification that it's a bill to level record. If it is a ship to level record, you will have the store number or ship to number for that record. So you will have all the information like bill to number, account type and address, bill to name, complete whatever the information is available in the screen.
ఇది కూడా monthly
Monthly కదా, daily run చేసుకోవచ్చు.
Okay, just
బట్ ఓన్లీ
based on
అప్డేట్స్
cus-
ఒక్కటే క్యాప్చర్ చేస్తాం. అప్డేట్స్ ఆర్ న్యూ అకౌంట్స్ క్రియేట్, ఇప్పుడు ఒక న్యూ అకౌంట్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు అనుకోండి, మీరు క్రియేట్ చేసి క్లయింట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇస్ అసైన్ టు CB, then that information will also be captured in the file.
Okay.
Do you need to run any jobs for that?
Yeah. to generate this you have to run.
File.
Yeah, to generate the file you have to run Chronicle customer
Basically,
feed.
this interface is for getting
This is to send the information to third party
to get the
distributors.
data from customer module.
Yeah.
Basically,
Yeah.
any updates in the customer module.
Any additions or updates
for which
for CD.
CB.
So this is the job, Chronicle customer feed. You just consider new one, okay? Chronicle customer. I mean, if you have any interfaces like with 2 records in the OTC engine, you just consider with new. Okay. Since few of the batches were changed, so that's the reason I have added this job by saying as new. So you have to only use this new one
How do you add?
in OTC engine. Add new job.
Okay, so anybody can add, or how does it
Anybody
work?
can add. Most of
How is
my
it that you have the latest one and then others don't know about it? Did
No,
you
the-
make any changes to it?
I didn't make, but development people, or if there are any requirement, then they'll change the batches.
Okay. So
I
they
mean,
changed it and they informed you. And that's
Yeah,
it.
they'll update the batch run book based on that information available in the batch run book. You have to, if you go to edit mode, okay. So this information you will be able to have in batch run book.
Okay.
Okay, so by providing all the information, you have to just save the batch
book
collaboration.
collaboration. So that's where.
And అది కూడా ఏమన్నా ఇట్లాంటి కొత్త రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ వస్తే you should ask. But then they'll update. Otherwise they won't update.
పంపించారు ఒకసారి batch run book.
పంపించాం. అందులో ఆల్మోస్ట్ అన్ని కొత్తగా యాడ్ చేసినవన్నీ ఉన్నాయి. ఇఫ్ I mean after this month, if anything, any new batch will be created, in that case you need to ask development team.
Okay. And also దాంట్లో PT interface like PT to OT interface job ISP details వస్తాయి కదా.
దానికి ఇంటర్ఫేస్ మనం రన్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం ఏం లేదు.
Automatically.
ఆటోమేటిక్ స్కెడ్యూల్ జావా ప్రాసెసర్.
Do you know those job names?
Do we need to really worry about them, or?
No.
For example, like we were executing some test cases, Sunil was working on it, where it says we create some ISP and in PT, wait for a few hours, it will turn
Yeah.
into OTC.
Yeah.
If it does not happen that way, whom should we contact?
If it does not happen in that way, you need to check with the pre-staging table. There is one table. There are like some validations will be there. After the Java process has been run, system will process some of the logic, checks for some of the logic. If anything was missed, then it just error out. You just need to check whether for whatever the ISBN which you have created, whether it is successfully processed or error out.
What is the name of the table? Sunil, can you note it down? We can go back and check from
If you don't find that information, your ISBN information in that table also, then you need to contact DBA team or PubTracker team, because something has been.
I'm not getting the 2 tabs at
The
titles.
tabs thing, even you have that question, right?
Which tabs?
In
At titles.
PubTracker.
No, actually, he with his user access, he displayed only one title search tab.
Right.
Nothing else is displayed.
Associated with the user IDs, the IDs which are created.
For us, like it is showing all the tabs.
What he said, for him also it is not correct. That's what he said in the morning.
No, I asked him, right?
So no, I have all the tabs.
Maybe it's to do with the credentials or the user ID that we can check.
And I'll check with where we can set up those permissions in the PubTracker. And can anyone has admin privileges for future conflict?
We can actually ask this question to Arif itself. We'll check with Arif.
They will ask them, then we will then ask CSC people can do it.
For PT, he says I'll get answered, right? PubTracker is very confident about it, so.
ఏమైంది? వాస్తు సెట్ కాలేదు అనుకుంటా. వాస్తు ప్రాబ్లం ఉన్నట్టు.
ఇంతవరకు లేదు ఇతరులకు వచ్చింది అంటే మీరే చేసి ఉంటారు.
నేనేం
Much
చేయలేదు.
there. Problem was much there, so it was shifted here.
Yeah. పక్కన పెట్టుకుని.
You understand what she said?
పక్కడ ఒక్కడ
No. Tomorrow we'll shift to that place. I said.
side of something.
Yeah, that's correct only, but
इशारों पर काम करना, इशारा जहाँ पे इशारा वहाँ पे.
वही तो इशारा नहीं ना यार.
Morning I created couple of accounts for Canadian account, US account, international account. So I guess for those accounts I mapped to the CD. So will that
Okay,
information-
I'll run this interface in that case. Let me run this. You'll identify your accounts, right?
Yeah.
I'll just open the file.
Hello. हाँ, for Indian, for यहाँ कॉल था, right?
Browser and
it's waiting, taking time. I think it will not work. Job run job run చేసేస్తారా?
చేసా.
So for testing, you will take one account number. Means I'll get a screen. I'll take one account number and search details. So for testing, you will take one particular account number and search for entire thing.
Which testing? For this
Anything,
interface?
anything.
Anything.
Yeah.
It depends on the type of interface.
Okay.
Some interfaces will create data
Mhm.
and we'll check whether that particular data, I mean we'll create data as per the logic, okay, and see whether that logic, I mean that data has been populated in the file or not. In some cases already we'll generate the file, right? We'll just take a few of the records, a few of the accounts, and we'll just check back in OTC.
So what problem I'm facing is, since I don't know any account numbers, what is there inside.
Yeah.
So I need to go to the videos. I'm entering same account number and it's just searching. So is there any way for means?
For identifying
Yeah.
account number,
Yeah.
it's I mean which type of accounts you want.
No idea.
I mean,
Yeah,
if
we
you
can
want-
search specific account, we can work with specific account. We can pick this specific customer from the existing data by going to one screen, or we can generate our own account with specific data set. So we'll sit here on please, sorry, please cancel. We'll progress here.
And we can show tomorrow. Suddenly we are from 50% to 80% to 90%.
Thank God to
We
rain.
have finished everything,
in one day. Good. I'll finish.
All interfaces, super. Then
But you can't.
Vandana and our boss will be very happy. We are
Actually,
also-
how does it matter to me? To make it 100%, how does it help you then? You should learn something.
Yeah. That matters.
I am not very good at it.
maybe boss.
Yeah.
Do you guys get paid any extra amount for this training?
That.
Yeah.
That information I don't have any idea.
This session we need to make sure keep it separate somewhere.
Yeah, whenever I come, we need to stop the recording.
That's all.
Oh my god, this is huge file.
It is very spell.
Let's see whether it opens or not. It will take some time to download. What's your account numbers? You don't have. Okay, let me check the account. When you have created?
Today on
Today. So you're Sunil, right?
Naveen.
Naveen.
Is Sunil.
Naveen is working hard.
Not working hard. As per my as
Test
per the
cases.
plan, we executed some test cases from Java Contour and customer module.
That's what then it is working looks like. We should have done it earlier.
Hmm?
We should have done it earlier, sir. It's not at least working.
So already we have created some models. Second time. Okay.
Now we understand some terminal
Terminal.
flow.
Hmm.
When you ask all these things initial days, terminals out.
We don't know where to go in the Java Contour.
Java, exactly. We did not even know. Now we are able to go because Shiva sent next screenshot. Otherwise, we still don't know where it is.
Even understanding those steps now, I think.
Little bit we are able to. Why is this stuck?
It's running.
Which one? This query?
Yeah.
We can call orange caps and say,
I don't mind. Please call. It's okay.
Dot cap
we
We
can.
can. Yes. Let it reverse.
No,
We
this
have numbers.
no status, right? Raj will call you.
He
Right?
says 99.9% at large. That's why I told him. After से call करके मुझे
Can we have open that 0.1?
जहाँ जाके from cab prices at 0.1.
No, I will check it after going. So, better. ఇప్పుడు నుంచి నువ్వు
Let her finish. Once she finishes,
No.
I'll check once again.
Yeah,
But
sure.
he says no space. No space.
Auto, I think.
But cab also is
ఒక auto
the same
cell
level
phone.
take.
See, if we're talking about traffic problem,
Only
the same thing only.
Do one thing. You just go to Edit Plus and data staging distributing
Okay.
and just download the file and search for your accounts.
Okay.
Because it will take a lot of time. Okay.
Can cancel that.
I'm cancelling it. Okay, the file will be cb_customer.
Yeah.
You'll be able to. I mean,
Yeah,
you'll be
yeah.
easily understood.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
And also you'll be able to validate all the data also. You just open this Chronicle customer feed and whatever the address information or bill to name that you have provided, you will be able to see in the file also. Did you create it in the store number also?
Store number I create.
Okay.
By default, it's usually one only, right? So,
So we need to give it. Store number.
If you look at the file, then you'll be able to understand.
We can create the store number.
In Shift2 we can create the store.
We're creating
create
customer.
means like any customer, we can create an order also, we can get store number, right?
No, it is not populating. For a new account,
For new account, you don't have any Shift2.
so-
You have to create.
Yeah,
If
yeah.
you want, you have to
When
create.
we create a customer in the customer module, we add the customer address
Okay.
and we add the ship to address and will it ask for generating store number or?
Yeah, it is a
Ship to
mandatory.
address, yeah.
It is a
If
mandatory.
you want to add ship to address, then you have to create a store number.
It will
Store number
will it
also-
generate a store number or?
No,
we
you have to provide.
From the drop
Ship to is nothing but when you go to order, the store number will be the ship to
Ship to,
address.
yes.
That's all.
Okay.
It is 4-digit number, right?
0001
Five.
five
Triple zero.
four zeros one
something.
401. 5 digit.
five Order, we must be very much familiar with that. Order, getting an order, getting an item and customer. Apart from that, now we need to check whether that receipts and shipment. That is the main thing.
Yeah, that's the main thing.
Mm.
Account creation
We need to
is
practice
also
on shipment.
not at all necessary actually. Account creation, I mean, just for your practice purpose, you may.
So main thing is shipment and account.
Shipment, yeah, that's the main
Inventory.
thing. You just go through the document and try for shipments, because that is the main important part.
So done, Hema, on that?
Yeah, done.
Chronicle customer period. Okay, now I need help from you and the remaining guys as well. Same, that automation ka 4 scenarios we have to identify. Basically what is happening is in our company, they want to give some demo on automation on OTC now.
Okay.